It's a waste. This is two different. So this is a variation is shot by the color. This is tea leaf, just a stem. Lockhart was the first tea estate in Munnar, have been planted in 1879 by a Scottish planter. This factory over 1,500 acre. The 450 the permanent worker, primary workers are women's only as a tea pickers. So this factory making three different type of tea. We are making white, green and black. This factory is orthodox factory, it's a traditional method. So when you collect the tea from the plantation, the first process, the factory will be started as weathering. So this normal tea have a moisture, 92% moisture from the leaves. So the yesterday's evening leaf. So when you collect the tea from plantation, just we keep it like this for, we have passed the hot air from the dryer, about to the ducts, is getting dry. So we need 58% moisture of the leaf. So after weathering, these black teas leaf are involve more process. The black tea involve chopping, then of screening by size, then oxidation. So when you set the size, by size we get the three grade. The fine and just medium is very larger. So this is basically is good quality. You get more flavor, is lighter taste. So this is more color, is less flavor. This medium. So depend on the size for the black tea. After oxidation, we remove the fiber. So we are ready the moisture, then we remove the fiber. So basically this factory we are making, this is just leaf only manufactured. Generally people easily sold in market the CTC type of tea, that is modern factory. This is not a modern factory, this is a very traditional method. Just we are manufactured, just leaf only manufactured. This factory in a day capacity 22 tons of tea leaf we manufacture. The 17 tons are, we have the waste from our factory. The stalks give the color. This is used for hair colors, paint and everything. The green teas are same leaf only. So no involve the weathering nor in the oxidation. So the black tea have this called the weathering or rolling oxidation. The green tea is no need oxidation, just dry the leaf. So that we are depend on the customer. Once in a month we are manufactures green tea. This is more famous. This you had of this tea. This is single top of the tips. This is white tea. This get more antioxidant property in that. Because more good for our increase our polyphenol. Get more antioxidant. Is even good for cancer also. So you know that the history of chemistry of tea. The tea have a polyphenol. This tea polyphenol is a good antioxidant. They're good for lungs cancer. Good for shivering. Good for weight loss and fat loss. We are advised to have with water only, not with milk.